Hi guys, I showed you I'd been working on the Revel Lion again, found the original body shell, so I've put that back on, made some nice little clips to hold the body shell in place. But while I was doing that, I was still looking at my old Volkswagen Beetle body shell that I originally had that sort of interior inside it with two little heads on there to give it passengers. And while I was 3D printing those clips, I couldn't resist making myself a proper little interior plate to go in there to hold the heads in place instead of that bit of foam. It is a bit heavier, but I don't think that'll matter for what I use it for. So we'll just see if it'll fit. See if my little clips work. These ones are a bit awkward to get to. Right, so that should fit right there. Oh, lovely. That one's a bit tight. Oh, there we go. Okay, and that fits on there. Now I normally just have these wire wraps to hold it in place. Which I can't see because I'm trying to keep my head out the way of the camera. Right, you go up there, you go on there. I do it a bit tidier than this normally. Yeah. Quite like that, and I've got enough room there to stick another one of my action cameras in the back. In fact, thinking about that, yeah, I normally use blue tack just to hold it on the back here, but it will fit inside, I think. I'll just go and grab one. Yeah, my little action cameras, they fit in there. A treat. Not sure what sort of view you'd have from right in there. When I have it back there, you sort of have a more general view, a little bit across the top of the bonnet and a bit inside. Whereas if we put it in there, what I could do is I could actually make one that fits on the top of the posts. the posts that hold the bodywork in place normally. Now there's a thought. I have loads of these, I keep printing them off. I might do that. Just a bit of fun. In fact, if I arrange it just right, so it could sit on top of there. A couple of little tubes coming up there. And yeah, I might do that just for a bit of fun, which is all I ever do, just have a bit of fun. Got no card in this one. I'm just trying to see what sort of view you get. You get the back of that one's head for a start. Probably want to try and... Oh, I can't offset it much though because of the... Yeah, you can't offset it very much. So you don't really get much of a view. Yeah, you're not really going to see very much in there, are you? Try and hold that so you can actually see, but you can see the roof of the car. And if I twist it a little bit, we're looking between the heads. Because that's another option, if I arrange it so I can twist it a bit. Just have a central pillar. In an ideal situation, you could actually put a servo on that and turn it a bit. That's an idea. I don't know if I'll do it. All I really wanted to do was just put something in there to hold the passengers in place, and it does that. I like this because it's bright yellow and you can see it easily. But this does look quite cool. I don't suppose cool is a word people use anymore, is it? Yeah, never mind. The bit that I did, that bit works. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description. And if you like this video, you might like this one up here. And you might like to have a look at my channel over here. See what else I do. Thank you for watching.